Hello, today's lesson is 10-4 and it's called Comparing Fractions on the Number Line. You've already learned how to use a number line to compare whole numbers. Today you will learn how to use a number line to compare fractions. Describe a situation where you might need to compare fractions. We talked about measuring, sometimes shopping. Each person in Rosie's art class received bags of flour to make modeling clay. The bags were labeled 1/4 pound, 2/4 pound, and 3/4 pound. The teacher wanted to sort the bags according to their weights and line them up. She started with 1/4. What's next? My students knew it would be 2/4 followed by 3/4. Compare these fractions, write less than, greater than, or equal. Use number lines to help. 2/4 compared to 2/3. Pause the video if you need to think about it. 2/4 is less than 2/3. On the number line, I can see that 2/4 is farther to the right. 2/4 is farther to the left, and 2/3 is farther to the right. 2/3 is closer to 1, so 2/3 is bigger than 2/4. How about 1/6 versus 1/8? We don't have a number line to help us, but think about what we know, and denominators are different and the numerator's the same. Then the smaller denominator is bigger. 1/6, believe it or not, is bigger than 1/8. 5/8 compared to 3/8. Denominator's the same this time, but the numerator is different. What do we do when the numerator's different? When the numerator's different, it's just the larger numerator is the larger fraction. I think that's kind of a simple one. So to review, how do we compare fractions when the numerators are the same and the denominators are different? That's when it's backwards and the smaller denominator is the larger fraction. Then when we have numerators that are different but denominators are the same, a little bit easier, just find the one with the bigger numerator. That was it for today.